Everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can change your birthday date on Instagram. So first, open the Instagram on your mobile device. Then log in to the account you want to change your birth date for. Then go ahead and tap profile picture in the bottom right corner of your screen. Then go ahead and tap on the three lines on the top right corner of your screen. Then tap on Account Center. Scroll down until you see Personal Details. Then tap on it, and there you'll see three options of contact information, birthday, and account ownership and control. Go ahead and tap on birthday. Then tap on edit. From here, you can change your birth date on Instagram. After you've done, tap on set, then tap on save on the bottom. Then Instagram will ask you to confirm. Simply tap on confirm. Now you know how to change your birth date on Instagram. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys next time.